Hello guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel and today's problem set is palindrome number. So first of all, what is a palindrome number? A palindrome number is a number given an integer. If we iterate from the starting index and if we iterate from the last index, then the resultant integer would be the same. Then that number can be said as a palindrome number. In this case, this is a palindrome number, but this is not a palindrome number because if you iterate from the starting, we get this number, and if we iterate from the backward, then we got this number, and both these numbers are not equal. Then this number can't be said as a palindrome number, right? So one thing I noticed here is they also given the case for the negative number. But the thing is, if you take a palindrome of this negative number, it will always be non-palindromic number because the negative in the end would not be coming in the forward if you reverse this string, right? So for that, we'll returning false for all the negative numbers. Return false, right? Now I need to find the reverse of this x. For that, I'll be using Python inbuilt functions that initially I'll be converting this x into the string and then making it reverse and then again converting it into the integer part, right? So now I'll be looping around this number, and here I will check if x is greater than 0 and reverse of x is greater than 0, because now I will check if see, so here the case is if a number is 1 2 3 4, right, and I do it by modulo 10, then the resultant string would be resultant number would be 4, right? And if I do it like this 1 2 3 4 integer division of 10, then the resultant I will be getting 1 2 3. This is our first step, right? Now in the second step I will be repeating the same steps, and that will be 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. Now it is 1 2 3. Now n is 1 2 3, so it would be 1 2 3 modulo by 10, and that will be 1 2, and again I'll be just dividing integer division by 10, 1 2 3 integer division by 10, and that would be 1 2. So sorry, it was 3, right? It was 3. So as you can see, 4 3 2 for further iteration 1, so we are getting the values in the from the least significant bit. So I have to check that only. If x modulo 10 not equals to reverse of x modulo 10, then I will be straight returning false. Return false. Otherwise, what I will do, I will just do the integer division by 10 of both the reverse and actual number, right? And here we will be returning true if everything goes right. If it reaches here, let's run the code, and I think, yeah, it passed all the test cases, and let's submit it also. Yeah, it got accepted. It was really easy problem, not much of thinking required in this problem, and just if you have a basic idea about the palindromic number, then you can do it by yourself. This problem can be done by recursively. You can try that method also. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned this concept. Thank you so much.